Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to permanently delete your Instagram account. So let's get started. First thing, just come into the home interface of Instagram, and to the rightmost bottom you will be having your profile picture. Click that, and to the rightmost top you will be having the three lines icon. Select it, and here we will be having account center at the top. Click here, and in account center select personal details, and here we will be having an option called as account ownership and control. Click it, and it says deactivation or deletion. Select it and select your Instagram profile which you want to delete, and here it's basically giving us two options. One is deactivate account and delete account. The main difference is going to be, if we deactivate our account, our profile is going to be hidden and it can be reactivated if we log in again. But when it comes to delete account, our profile will be hidden, but after a point all our data will be permanently removed and we cannot re-log in. So our account will be getting completely lost and it cannot be retrieved back. That's the difference over here. So think twice before deleting it. So I will just select this delete account option, click on continue, and deleting this account will also delete our Threads account. So yeah, so I'll just click on continue, and here we need to state the reason why we are deleting it. So I'll just give the reason and continue. And in case if you want to download information or transfer a copy of information, you can do those stuff, and click on continue, and we need to enter our password over here. And this is the final warning that it gives us. My account will be permanently deleted on August 14, and in case if you want to retrieve your account, you must basically log in before that, else your account is completely gone. So I will just click on delete account. So after you click on delete, you will be logged out of your account and you will be taken to the login page. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.